Tesla installs main door at LA Diner Drive-In Theater. Tesla has continued to make progress on its Southern California diner, drive-in theater, and Supercharger location throughout the last several months, and as it starts to get close to being finished. Recent updates show the latest progress, including the installation of the restaurant's main doorway. This week, YouTube channel 247 Tesla shared a new drone video of the Los Angeles Tesla diner construction site, including new details such as the installation of a front door, a new trench in one of the lots, and the full installation of a number of Supercharger stalls. The main door being installed is a round, singular piece of glass featuring a small hole in the middle. The video's host says the hole will be big enough for a Texas-size belt buckle, though it's not yet clear exactly what will go in the middle. In addition, the site is featuring a massive new trench that was dug out in the auxiliary lot, though it's not clear as of yet what it will be used for. Lastly, the video shows that many of the initial Supercharger stalls have been completed and have been covered with cardboard and a layer of green wrapping materials since completion. Check out the full video update this week from 247 Tesla below. The Hollywood Tesla diner is being built at 7001 Santa Monica Boulevard, and it's looking more and more like it could be completed in the coming months. Expected to feature a 1950s-style diner with waiters on roller skates, rock and roll music, and 2 projector screens playing clips from the best movies in history. The unique Supercharger site was first discussed by Elon Musk in a series of posts on then Twitter back in 2018. Currently, the site includes frames for the 2 projector screens, though they haven't yet been covered in a material to catch the light of the projectors. Tesla built the first frame for one of the screens in March, though the company had to wait until July to construct the second frame due to power lines that needed to be removed. Source: reposted and summarized from Zachary Visconti at teslarati.